Oh! Hey guys, Richard here, eBike Reviews and Adventures. I'm out here getting ready to hit the trail with Devin, and we're going to be testing out the Rad power bike here. This is the Radster trail that we just got in. And I thought, what a great opportunity to test out a new bike, because Devin wanted to go riding today, so we're going to be out here in this beautiful park. I was out here once, about a week and a half ago for the first time, so it's all new to me. We're just going to get out here, get lost, and see what we can kind of get ourselves into. So here we go.
Say I'm following you, so.
All right, we'll figure it out. So we're parallel to the power lines. Power lines will be our landmark if we get out here and get lost.
Sounds good.
I like this bike. It's pretty good.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's a $2,200 bike, so you can't even hear the motor. I mean, it's like whisper quiet.
That's so nice.
And if I remember correctly, there's a trail on our left coming up here somewhere, and we took that one the first time right here, I think. Let's take this one. And this is really windy.
I was gonna say, holy cow, this one's like super windy.
I really enjoy this kind of riding right here, you know.
Oh, I know.
You've
been wanting to come back out and do this.
Bumps right here in the corner. And you got a root over here, or a stump over here. Oh, we got a lot of roots right there. Is that you? Devin?
Yep.
Make sure you're back there, because I thought I heard a crash. Did you hear that?
Nope.
Did you hear it though?
I
didn't pay attention to it. Yeah, it sounded like a crash to me.
Hopefully it wasn't a plane crash.
No, it's like a bike crash or something. Take the inside to get around that tree right there. That's a good riding bike. Ooh, was that something that just crawled underneath my tire?
I'm too far behind to.
Ooh.
I'm not seeing anything crawling.
Yep, I saw it the last second. I think it was something. It was a smaller one, but big bump here going between the trees.
Yep, got it.
Yeah, with the,
sounded like you clipped your head there. On the...
Yeah, I did. Whoa, whoa!
Yeah, you got some soft sand there. West Meadow is to the right.
I wonder if they're black trails. What's that?
I guess it's probably house building then.
Yeah, who knows?
'Cause I don't know, unless it's somebody's property.
It could be that too. Watch that tree. It looks like people hit it a lot.
I'm way back behind you. I'm just kind of slow rolling through here.
Got a stump through there. I like the fact that this bike has some power. Whoa! Don't slide off the trail. Oh, a little speed. A little speed. Get through here. Good, good, good. Nice. I like this trail. This is nice. Yeah, I'm impressed with this bike so far.
Yeah?
So this is what was it? If I'm not mistaken, 27.5 tire.
I noticed they were a little bit bigger.
And they're only 3 inches.
So they're not as wide.
Not as wide, but they're handling it just fine. Handle that sand over there just fine too. So
yeah, you got through it pretty good. So.
And this thing's got impressive torque. Oh, big bumps right here. Yeah, impressive torque.
Is that meant to be like a off-road or trail bike, I guess?
Yeah, yeah. I mean, it's not as a hardtail.
Right.
Watch your pedal strike right there on the right.
Pedal strike. Oh, okay. that was a good trail.
Yeah, they call it a trail bike. It's, I mean, they're all about the same. If there's not a suspension, you know, there it is. This is a mid step too. I don't know if you noticed that.
Oh, okay, yeah, I see.
Easier, harder. We're gonna take the easier route, Devin.
Oh yeah, we're going easy. I'm not
Using a
going.
little throttle to get through there. Don't slide off the hillside here.
Yeah, did not come at it with enough speed.
Use that throttle. Can you get it up with the throttle?
Yep, I got it up. Just trying to walk it up.
This looks a little interesting. A little speed here.
Oh!
Oh, you all right?
Yep. Bike hit the front. I'm clear.
Good, good. As long as this is the bike and not you.
Yep. I'm clear.
Check yourself out.
Oh.
You all right?
Fire ants.
Oh, no. You need some help?
They're all on just my hand.
All right. Hold on.
I'm clear.
You sure? What about the bike? The bike covered in ants?
No, it doesn't look like it.
And be careful when you pick it up that you don't have a bunch of them crawling all over you.
Yeah. Just trying to make sure they're not.
Stomp your feet a few times. Oh, dang.
Yeah.
All over.
I landed right in the nest, apparently.
Yeah, you did. What the heck, Devin? What the heck? All right, I'm going to get this up.
Whew. My hand.
Try to keep them away from that. Probably going to be on your pedals.
We're good.
Times.
Okay. Man, I got a lot of adrenaline pumping right now from.
You didn't get bit at all?
Well, I got my hand got bit, but
Did you?
yeah, but I'm not allergic to them. So, but yeah, my hand caught fire a little.
Oh, yeah, they're all over here.
Yeah.
Let's not stand here too long. Let's move down here.
Okay. Yeah, I'm just trying to make sure the bike feels somewhat decent. Oh, well, glad we weren't worried about paint on this one anymore.
Hey, it's going to happen when you're riding trail.
Yep. All right.
Take your shoes real good again. Don't stand there, man. Keep going down here.
Yeah, I'm trying.
Get away from those jokers. Checking over again. Make sure they don't fall on you.
All right.
Yeah, I think that's just dirt. I'm going to check right there. What's that? Yeah, that's a leaf or something.
Hand itches.
Yeah. I'm sure it is.
Here.
I have first aid kits, so we may have some anti-sting type stuff.
Yeah, it'll be. I'm fine right now. I'm just trying to make sure, because this was the side that I landed on.
Yeah, man.
I saw that rock there on the center, and I was too close to it.
Yeah.
So I cut the corner too short on myself.
Oh, and you got hung up on it going around it?
Well, I knew I was there, and I was like, crap, I needed to stay out. Wide to open the corner up. I closed the corner in on myself, and so the only way to go was to bail off the bike, and that rock was there, and I didn't want to break my shin on it.
Heck yeah.
If I knew the bike was going down, so I tried to make sure I jumped somewhat off the bike enough to make sure I didn't break my leg.
Yeah, and you did good. And then you landed in a fire ant bed.
Yeah, well, I'll take fire ants over a broken shin out here in the middle of wherever we are.
Yeah, we'd be calling, I don't know, maybe the sheriff's department to come out here and get you.
Yeah, I don't know that I want to make that phone call. So, looks like 1, 2, 3 on the hand.
Really?
Yeah, not too bad, honestly. I got one right here in the webbing.
Sometimes in a day or two, they'll swell up and blister, though, is the problem. They did with Mom.
4. I got 4.
She stepped in one, and she had something like 17 or 18 on one foot.
Oof.
And her whole foot swelled up, and it blistered, and then she had these big, bubbly blisters just full of pus, and it was miserable.
Yeah. No, I'll probably take a Benadryl or something later. So.
Well, like I said, I probably have something for stings in that kit. We can bust it out if you need it. So just let me know.
Yeah. Right now I'm fine. I feel fine.
Tell me when you're ready.
Hey, Dad, stop.
What?
Come here. Quiet. See? There's a deer right here.
There's a what?
There's a deer right here. Yeah, it's a doe. There's another one right through here. You can hear it chomping. Look at the doe right here.
Oh, yeah. Looking from the stream down there?
It's about to.
Not too concerned about us, is she?
No.
It's kind of unusual with her.
This?
Maybe they're just used to people.
Maybe. I'm trying to see the other one because I can hear it. It's right down in there.
I see a tree limb that's wiggling.
Yeah, I can literally hear it. I just don't see it. Oh, it's eating.
Yeah, eating.
Okay, cool. I like it.
Maybe we're about to get stopped.
What is it?
Dude, I don't know what it is. I'm going to turn my video on. Yeah, there is.
I see something. It's four-legged.
Well, we're about to find out.
I wonder if it's maybe like a baby boar.
Oh, man, I hope not. Uh-oh. It might be, because it's pretty low to the ground.
Yeah. Oh, you know what? I think that might honestly be an armadillo.
You think?
Well, I can kind of see its back, and it's like gray, and it looks...
I see something now. Yeah, I see what you're right underneath. Yeah, I see it.
I think that might be an armadillo.
It might be. Was he gonna come out? Or is that a freaking turtle, man?
It might be a turtle too.
Is it's a turtle on the move.
Could be. I mean, there's water right there, right? Yeah.
It's a freaking turtle. No, it isn't. No, it is an armadillo.
Is it?
Yeah, armadillo. See him?
Yeah.
You see him come through? Now he's hidden again.
Oh, I see his tail.
Yep. Armadillo. Cool.
On today's e-bikes and adventures, we have
armadillos.
We have deer, armadillo,
fire ants.
Fire ants.
I like this kind of riding right here. You know, just kind of cruising along.
Yeah.
Even this is pretty nice. Down to the water now.
Oh, Dad, ahead.
What?
On your left.
Holy smokes.
Yeah. That's what
I was just about to say we need to be more careful about the the gators.
That is a big boy.
That's a good sized gator there.
That's got to be 8-9 feet easily.
I don't know. I'm gonna zoom in with this camera here. Get him on this one.
Because his tail's down by the water and his head is all the way up by the tall grass here.
Yeah.
That's on our side. So he's got to be every bit of 9
he's
foot.
good size there, buddy. This must be, what they call it? That sign we read earlier about the gator pit or something?
Gator bite? What?
Gator. That sign we saw earlier said something about gator pit.
Oh, yeah. That was what the trail was called.
Well, that's why.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't think we'll go that way.
No, I think we're going to back up, turn around. Because while we might scare him, I don't want the opposite reaction to happen.
Yeah.
I'll respect him and give him his space.
Yeah, I will too. I will give him all the space he wants.
No, too bad he doesn't have a vest.
A vest?
Yeah, because then he'd be an investigator.
Torque. Little feathers, whatever that was.
It was something, but that gator probably took care of it.
Yeah, I'm sure the gator probably did. Goodness, look how big he is, man.
That's what I'm saying. You were like, I don't know. I'm like, no, I could see his tail like down by the water, and his head is all the way up on the, like, he is really massive.
That is just...
Yeah, you couldn't fully tell from where we were, but...
Wow.
His tail literally goes from the edge of the water all the way up to that tall grass line.
Yeah, now you can see him better, man. That guy is... Wow, that's massive. Yeah, like I said, at least like 9 feet or so.
Mm-hmm.
Holy smokes, that's a pretty tall bank.
You know how if we hadn't seen that and we rode down there, how
Oh, good
scared
Lord.
we would have. He would have scared us by being scared by us.
Oh, wow, I can zoom in better with my... I can zoom in better with this.
Yeah.
That's a thick tail that reaches the water. He could be all of 12 feet or something.
Yeah. I was like, he's minimally 9, maybe more.
That is nuts.